If you find that you're having difficulty either assembling or disassembling your oboe, if it's just hard to get those joints to move, then you'll want to use some cork grease. There's cork right here on the tenons, and cork grease is sold in many different forms. I've got some right here. I'm just going to get a little bit on my finger and apply it to that cork and just smooth it all the way around. I'm going to wipe off any excess. It gets your fingers kind of icky, but I have a cloth right here that I can wipe that off on. You don't want to get it on your clothes. And wow, that works really well now. If it's too slippery, then you run the risk of your oboe actually falling apart in your hands. So again, wipe off any excess with a cloth if you need to. Clean out the cup here that accepts that tenon cork. And now I'm back to normal. Great. You can also maybe have a difficult time with the reed. You always want to hold the reed by the thread, the wrapping here, which is the colorful part of the reed. That's where you want to hold it. And you always want to go straight down into the oboe. And if that's a difficult thing, then go ahead and use some cork grease and straight out of the oboe. If you find that your reed is stuck inside your instrument, the way to loosen it up is to grip it firmly, grip the top of the oboe, and do little tiny wiggling motions back and forth as you lift that reed up and out. And that should do it. Okay? Great. So hopefully that takes care of any problems that you might encounter putting your oboe together.